The reviewing and editing process in creating a great video can be incredibly painful. Between super vague comments or trying to find a random time code, getting feedback on videos can be really frustrating. Thankfully, Oslo's intuitive feedback feature gets rid of the ambiguity and wasteful back and forth over long email threads. Once you start typing a new comment, the video will pause to give you time to complete your thought. Your comment will be timestamped at a specific frame for everyone to see and click on. You can also drag the handle to indicate a range for your feedback. Click the checkmark on the left to add a general comment without timestamps. Further communicate your idea with annotations. Select the Paint tool brush to draw directly onto the video with different shapes and colors. The drawings will not affect the original uploaded file. Reviewing feedback in Oslo is super easy. You can reply to a specific comment in threaded conversations, like a comment, resolve those you've already addressed, and hide resolved comments to keep track of outstanding feedback. Once you're done, change the status of your file to help your team keep track of the progress of your project. This allows your team to understand what stage of the feedback cycle each media asset is at.